What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queen Faith here. I just want to give y'all a quick, not even tour, okay? I'm not ready to give a tour of my car, but y'all remember the car that I have. I decided that I will get a new steering wheel cover. So that's what I have. Y'all see this? So nice and fuzzy, and I have this as well. Now, what I will say is, this does not fit well on mine. I don't know if y'all can see that. It doesn't fit the best, but it looks just fine. But yeah, I'm definitely a fan of the steering wheel cover. But yeah, y'all, I had to get it. Wait for my lights turn off in here. I'm gonna have to show y'all again when it gets a little bit darker. But legit, this purple. My sister got it first. She got it in black. She was showing it off. And y'all, it's so fluffy. But guess what? You know it belongs to a female when you ride it in it, right? Y'all ever see those people in the cars and they be out riding around whipping and they got a pink steering wheel cover or the pink dice just hanging? Yeah. Now that's me, okay? I just really like this. I mean, it doesn't. I like that. My door ain't closed. That's what it is. Back to this. I want to point this. So I did want to point this out too. Y'all, I'm in my garage, but I did want to point this out too. That is supposed to be for the emergency parking brake. Y'all know they used to sit like right here, but now mine is down here on the floor, and it's meant for the stick. So I just stuck it on the seat rest. Yeah, I just thought it was so cute. And if you don't know, I love purple. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with. I really like this. When my sister gets here, y'all have to check my social media. You'll see her black one. I have purple. Sheesh. Sheesh. There's a truck, but we'll look at it another day on a different video. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Not an actual tour of my car, just showing y'all what I got. You know, my car got so much pollen on it. But that is too funny. It is hilarious. Now these my favorite pants. Ooh. Okay. See this? You think I didn't own the mobile detailing business, would you?